Soyez le bienvenu! Mabuhay po tayo dyan! Welcome back po with Learn French for Filipinos with Lourdes. Learn real-life French in a clothing store. Practice simple dialogue to ask for clothes, discuss sizes, try outfits, and pay at the cashier. Are you ready? Let's go! Dialogue dans un magasin de chaussures. Dialogue in a shoe store, okay? So, educational French conversations with a saleswoman and a client. Saleswoman is a vendeuse et un client is un client au masculin, client pour féminin. Are you ready? Let's go! Dialogue 1. Salutation et demande de chaussures. Okay, this is dialogue 1, greetings and asking for shoes. Okay, bonjour.
Bonjour, comment puis-je vous aider aujourd'hui?
So, he asked me, ano daw may tutulong niya sa akin. Okay, then I will respond, bonjour,